If you go to use the bathroom and you pull your drawers down and you see something and you like, damn!
What? It's true. What? When the time coming, I can feel it. I ain't really got no feelings. Look. What? I know my time coming, I can feel it. Only thing.
Hey guys, it's your girl Vicky XV and I'm back with another video. If you want to see what this video is about, keep watching. Okay, so don't mind a bonnet. I pretty much tried to like glue my wig down. It didn't work out good. It looked terrible. I just threw the bonnet on. But a disclaimer, I just want you guys to know I am not a OBGYN. I am not a freaking doctor. I'm just telling you guys what worked for me. And just keep in mind that everybody's body is not the same. So keep that in mind. So as you can clearly tell by the title, I'm going to be dropping 12 tips and tricks that you should know when it comes to feminine hygiene and things of that nature. So I don't want to keep bumping my gums. Without further ado, we're going to get into the video. I also wrote a little list down so I don't forget anything. So number 1 is going to be drink water. Drink water. Drinking water is very important because A, you are what you eat and or drink. So you know what, it's like, come on now, you gotta treat her right, okay? Imagine you living somewhere and they ain't giving you no water. Now you down there, you get what I'm saying? So you have to drink water. You have to keep your body refreshed. Your body is your temple, okay? Don't be acting like that person who be drinking
Mondays, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
So the second tip is to wipe from front to back. And a lot of females don't know this. Boom, you sitting on the toilet. You're going to pretty much take your hands, scoop it behind you. You're going to wipe from the front of you to the back of you. Now, don't when you just, you don't want to do that. She don't got no business being back there or seeing what's going back there. That's why it's a little gap in between her and, okay? Because they're not supposed to be together. Nothing from the back should cuff up to the front. And that's exactly why you need to come take your hand from the back and skadeep like this here. Okay? Tip number 3 is to wear cotton underwear. Cotton underwear are your friend. Cotton underwear is good. You get what I'm saying? Cotton is nice. It's nice. She love her some cotton. She could sit nice in some cotton. You get what I'm saying? So I do understand, you know, you want to be cute. You want to wear your little and so on and so forth. For me personally, if I do plan on going to the pound town or the liquor store, right before I make my purchase, I'm going to go to the bathroom. I'm going to swap out from the grannies to the ooh yeahs. And then we could, you know, it ain't going to stay on for long anyway. It should be off. But anywho, more the story is cotton undies. Cotton undies are good. It's great. It's breathable material and she loves it. Tip number 4 is going to be avoid shaving. Just avoid shaving as a whole. When you shave, you get razor bumps, you get discoloration, you get hyperpigmentation. It's just a lot goes on when you shave. It's too much, it's 5 much, you down there, you already know, and this, that, and the third. So you want to avoid that. You either want to get waxes, or if you can't get wax, with me, what I would do if I can't get a wax and I'm not shaving, no, what I will do, I'll get me some Veet. I'll put it on my little hoo-ha. Just make sure you just put it on the top area. Do not go in the lip area. I do not recommend that because it will not turn up good. But more the story is you just want to keep the razors away from her. Keep the razors away from her, okay? She want to look nice untamed. Tip number 5, this is personally as far as me, everywhere I go, I got me some feminine wipes. Everywhere I go. And I always have a bag in my bag. I always got several bags in my bags. That's just one of my issues. I always have me a feminine bag in my bag. That's also a 2-in-1. So that's actually, that's a 2-in-1 right there. I always have a feminine bag in my bag, which has, it has some feminine wipes. It has a fresh pair of panties. It has some pads, some panty liners, some tampons. It's just a just-in-case bag. You get what I'm saying? I always have that, especially with that time of the month. You got a lot to be working with. When you after you use the bathroom, you got to wipe up because there be a lot going on. Wipes definitely help out. It gives you a nice clean, letting you know everything is good. Wipe up, okay? These are a must. Every female needs to have feminine wipes in her possession So tip number 7 is going to be feminine suppositories. What are feminine suppositories? It's boric acid, pretty much. It is boric acid. Now with boric acid, you want to make sure that you are not taking these orally. I repeat, you do not want to take these orally. These guys, they also have the suppositories. You pop it in. I'll link the video down below when I did a review on these. You pop them in. It's pretty much like a tampon. You pop them in, put it up in you. You want to make sure you have on a panty liner because it's going to be a lot of discharge. You want to make sure you have on a panty liner. So with these guys, yes, you pop them in. Pretty much after your period, you can pop them in. If you feel like your pH balance is off, you can pop them in. One normally works for me, but if you're having extreme symptoms, you can take them for up to 7 days. I will leave the link to this video. So tip number 8, and this is very, very important. Only water should go inside her. You get what I'm saying? Only water. If you want to cleanse her out, don't think, oh, I'll just put some soap in there. No, baby. She's going to let you know how much she doesn't like it. Don't worry, you'll know because you're going to be running around the house, holding yourself like Michael Jackson, he-ing from point A to B. Do not put soap inside of her. What I personally do is I douche, and what I do is I will also leave the link to that video. I pretty much, whatever they have in the bottle, I dump it out. I use bottled water, poop, I use that, pop, pop, pop. I'll do that either I'll do this, I'll do the suppositories, or I'll douche, either or, after my period, after Pound Town, things of that nature, just to make sure everything is out and she's good. You get what I'm saying? You gotta make sure she's good. Okay? So next on my list, you always want to make sure that you use panty liners. Panty liners are super, super dope. Pretty much as a female, it is natural for you to discharge. Despite what people say, oh, you're not supposed to have nothing. As a female, that happens. Why? Because she is always working. She's always cleaning herself out. One thing about her, she gonna clean herself. What was that? She gonna clean herself out. You get what I'm saying? And pretty much with the panty liners, you can tell because you know you. If you go to use the bathroom and you pull your drawers down and you see something and you like, damn! That's your body. That's her telling you, hey, I ain't doing too good down here. Help me. You got some feminine suppositories. Okay? That's pretty much what's going on as far as there. So that's another reason why you want to wear your panty liners, because whatever comes out, you can pretty much read it like a Bible. Okay, this is good. This. So my 10th tip, which should have been probably in like the top 5, but we're not going in any order here, is you want to make sure that you are visiting your OBGYN. You want to make sure that you're getting them annual appointments. You want to make sure that you're going in and getting her checked out by a professional. You want to make sure professionally everything is as good as you think it is regularly. So that is a must. As a female, you must maintain that because like I said, she is super sensitive. You only have one. And you got to treat her good. Like, she is a tenant, okay? She lives here, okay? Imagine you living somewhere, they ain't giving you water, the plumbing don't work. Every time you try to complain about something, they just pack you up with something. Okay? My 11th tip. So my next tip is when, you do want to feel fresh and you want to smell nice and you want to put a little summer's eve, a little spray on yourself. What I recommend is you spray it on your underwear. Do not physically spray it on her. It's all that dust. She down there. What was that? I can't breathe. I don't know. Spray it lightly on your underwear. Fap it out twice and step into it. She gonna be good. Especially if you got on cotton underwear. She breathing. You breathing. This breathing. Everybody can breathe. Okay? So spray this onto your underwear, not onto her, because she gonna tell you, I don't like that. I don't like that. You got more suppositories. My final tip is to make sure that she has her own wash rag. She has a... Yo, I'm sorry. This whole entire video, Mittens has been the cutest thing in the back. But I digress. Make sure she has her own washcloth. You do not want to wash your whole body and turn around wash her with it. She gonna let you know she gonna start begging for suppositories. So you want to make sure that she has her own cloth, her own everything. You use one for your body, use one for her, use one for your face. Well, thank you guys for watching. Remember to turn on that bell notification so every time I upload a video, you know. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe, comment, do all of that. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
But you wasn't. You was like brothers better than my cousin. If you had a problem, then you know I'm coming. Man, I can't trust you niggas. I'm like, fuck 'em.